Okay. Okay. There we have it. Yes, yes. Hi guys. I have something very important to share. And I'm garden Nothing to do with Rwanda, and I have something very, very important. Meet Peshi. Hi. Guys, I have something very, very important that we need to talk about. And that's in Rwanda. You want to say hi?
No.
This is my number one. My number one big fan. Okay. Thank you very much, number one big fan. I love you too. Guys, I'm in Rwanda today, and there's something I need to share with you. Something just occurred to me, you know, and
I'm like, let's play.
okay, what do you want to say?
At night she's going to Dubai.
Girl, you're selling me out. That's not the point.
Yes, that's the video.
Guys, I love you so much. I am in Rwanda, and something just occurred to me, and I thought, guys, you know, if we don't talk about these issues, there is nothing that we are doing for ourselves as a people. And that's kusatenda, they say. And I was just thinking, but why can't we be? You know, there are some things very simple. You know, I was traveling all the way from the airport. Roger said, guys, and I'm like, how do they manage to do this? What does Rita say? You know, and I'm only hearing, you know, when it's a community service, at least once a month, my road is over. Can you imagine? From that's like from early in the morning up to 12 midnight. From their own houses, guys, like a community initiative. Remember, I was talking the other time, Dina Maititi. The chiti, social fabric, yakakosha. The culture that we cultivate in our people, in our children, yakakosha. Imagine, every month and Saturday, tinovhara mawindo, tinovhara road tochaira, and they take it upon themselves. And it becomes a part and parcel of their life. Then you don't even have to, you know, push people. You know, I've seen one wachi takura mabini, you know, wachienda wachino damba muroad, and I'm just like, guys, you know, some people are doing it. We can do it. We are human beings too. We are people too. As I'm just wishing you a Merry Christmas, I just thought this would be very important. Some things, guys, notanga from within us. Some things we have to do it ourselves, and it doesn't cost anything to just be sensitive of your surroundings. Mofonge anzana washipe bubble gum. Imi. And if we just start cultivating that for our children, guys, we can achieve better. I don't know zvangu, but ndangofunga kuti chakanaka vedu ngatimbozvitry iyo. Otherwise, kumusoro. Zvinongova mumusoro kuti dai tasvikawo pamusoro. Inga upenyu mutoro kutakura mugomo nemusoro. Praise the Lord. I love you so much, guys. Thank you. I'm singing a song. What song do you know?
I belong to Jesus.
I belong to Jesus. Can you do it?
No, I can't
see. All these guys are here. They want to know that this Rwandese girl is singing I belong to Jesus. Let's have it. I'll help you. I belong to Jesus. I belong to Him. I belong to Jesus. I belong to Him. Okay. Yay. Thank you so much, guys. Otherwise, ndangoti tingo encourageana as a people. There are some things that have to start from within us. Kungoziva kuti handirase marara. Guys, it gets us going somewhere. And it needs to be in our social fabric. Kutangira pa culture. How we are socialized in the homes as children. How we raise our kids. Mwana kungoziva kuti kurasa marara is not such a cool thing. Mwana kungoziva kuti ndinogona kutotsvaira muroad just close to my house. Imagine if everyone takes it upon themselves kuti road iri pamberi pemba yake anoikipa clean, and they take it as their responsibility to keep their surroundings clean. Yeah, that's the message I have for you today. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I love you so much. I love you. God bless you. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye. I'll take my leave. Unfortunately, guys, I can't see my comments any because I'm using one phone. But I promise I'll be checking on them and then I'll feedback. But starting from Mangwana, I've learned from my TT how you can do that. So starting from Mangwana, I'll be conversing direct. I love you. God bless you.
Merry Christmas.
Yes. Thank you.